This video is a little bit off the cuff. Quite simply, it's just me in my daily life teaching. But it's a bit that people don't do well. In fact, people are terrible at this. Anyone can learn from this video.
Look 10 seconds ahead of you. And you're all done. Perfect. Well done. Now what we need to do is fix our situation with this lorry.
Yeah.
I would like you to be relatively quick away because the road narrows into one lane and the lorries are generally slow, so we're going to be away and in front of it. So watch around. There's a gap in the traffic. Be ready to release your handbrake and move relatively soon.
Okay.
There's a green man on just here, crossing this section of the road. So now it's changed. Release your handbrake. 2 hands on the wheel.
Yep.
And when our lights change, we're going to go relatively quickly. Keep to our left side. That's fine. You've done it. Look at the lorry.
Yep.
Don't need to keep going quickly now. Do you understand?
Yep.
So that's always an opportunity
to
turn around and fix the situation. It's not an opportunity to get in front of someone. No. It's an opportunity to fix the scenario.
I get it.
If there are 2 lanes into one, you've got to fit in and manage speed to do that.
Yeah.
With the lorry being slow, best thing you can do is get on with it. All right. Good. Now, if you look in your mirrors again, there's 2 lanes.
Yep.
The lorry's still out in lane 2.
Yep.
We're 3rd car back in the queue now. Wow, that was close behind as well from him. He dived in there, gee whiz. Now it narrows further up again.
Yeah.
It's going to now depend on where we are in the grand scheme of things. If our traffic's slower away than them, the lorry's going to be ahead of us and we'll sit in behind them.
Sit a bit, yeah.
If they're slow away and our traffic's a little bit quicker away, we may be in front of him.
Yeah.
We don't know till it happens.
Till it happens, yeah.
So what I'd like you to do is just concentrate on the flow of the traffic. It narrows a little bit further up and we're just going to assess.
Yeah.
We're quite slow, aren't we?
Yeah.
So fine, keep it moving. Now what should we do with the lorry? You've got a decision to make here.
Stay behind.
Good. So just keep up with it, but not next to it. Don't steer right.
No.
You don't have to emerge in these situations sideways. You go either further forward or drop back a bit. You did a boss job there, Denise.
Okay.
Really good. Does that all make sense?
It does. I know what you mean, yeah. I actually did listen to you.
I know you did, and you did really well because you did listen. Really good.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Thanks a lot for watching. Please let me know what problems you've had in situations like this in the comments below. And don't forget, please subscribe.